I am fine, sir. Thank you. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. What's that, sir? Around you, there are a lot of paper. Something was written.
So,
What's that?
so this is not my room, sir. In my room, there are a lot of noise, sir. That's why I come to my cousin's room, and he is preparing for UPSC. That's why I came here.
Sorry?
Sir, he is preparing for UPSC. That's why he is pasting all these.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, can you brief? Can you brief you about yourself?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vikash Kumar Gupta. I am currently staying in Jharkhand, but I belongs to Bihar. I am currently pursuing my BTech final year from Galgotia University in Computer Science stream. I did my intermediate from Vivekananda Vidya Mandir, Ranchi, with 8.2 CGPA, and high school from Vivekananda Vidya Mandir with 67% in Vivekananda Vidya Mandir itself.
Okay. So, any experience about your? I saw your resume. The experience about your, the Infosys, your training since Cisco. Can you explain this?
Yes, sir. I did Cisco fundamental of Python and networking, and I have did my Infosys in Python training, sir.
So have you done any projects or any
Yes, sir.
on the Python?
So I had done my mini project in third year, sir. That is face mask detector, sir.
Can you explain that?
Yes, sir. My project was on face mask detector. It is distinguish the people who wore the mask or not. It is very helpful, sir, in for the people who wore the mask or not, because in this pandemic we have lot of problem about coronavirus, and after all there are lot of cases in India and all over the world, so we can stop it for some extent by using this technique. After all, mask is very important to stop coronavirus.
No. Can you explain about the architecture? What you have done?
So I have used my technologies, a neural network and deep learning. So in which we have put various lot of samples, around 1500 photos of different angles, which were taken by the who wore the mask and who not wore the mask, and we are clicking the photos of some people who wore or not, and according to that we are cascading it and find who wore the mask or not, sir, after training the data.
Yeah, because sorry, can you show your ID card? I forgot to ask you.
Yes, sir. So what is a college ID or sir PAN card, Aadhaar card, sir?
Yeah, college ID or PAN card, anything is.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is my Aadhaar card.
Yeah, 1 second, hold on.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And this is my sir college ID, sir.
That's okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead with the project details.
Yes, sir. So after training the data, we are using the NumPy that is used on array, and on that array we put all the data which we have saved in the documentary, and then we are searching for it, sir, and who wore the mask or not.
So did you implement it this somewhere and check is it working or not? Did you implement it somewhere?
Yes, sir. I implemented, sir. My partner was
You
implemented, and yes, sir.
Where did you implement this?
So my group member's laptop when we are publishing our project, sir.
No, I'm asking, did you practically implemented this somewhere and found people whether they are wearing a mask or not? I'm asking about any practical implementation.
Sorry, sir, I didn't do it, sir.
You didn't do that?
Yes, sir. Because I didn't have chance to do that.
Okay. So you know that you will be evaluated in Python. You
Yes.
know that, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference, right? Difference between the list and the tuple in Python?
So list is mutable and tuple is unmutable, sir.
Okay. Can you declare one variable?
So may I use this compiler?
Yeah, you can. You can just you can write it and show me.
Okay, sir.
You have paper and
Paper and pen, sir.
yeah, you have, right?
So I have a compiler on my screen. May I, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So can you please repeat the question, sir?
No, can you declare one variable?
Okay, sir. So what type of variables, like integer, float type, or string?
Declare one integer.
Okay, sir. Like a equal to 10, sir. On my screen, sir.
A equal to 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you get inputs? If it is integer inputs, right? Can you declare that command?
Yes, sir.
So you want to get
Sir.
inputs. Can you declare that?
So may I write some messages on it? Like
Yeah.
enter the number and all?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. So you can see that.
You did right?
Yes, sir. According to user, you can put any value, sir, of integer
Okay.
type. Integer type.
Okay. So if you want to write a loop function, right? Okay. Can you explain what is class and method?
Yes, sir. Class is like a bundle of data, sir, in which we can put various methods, sir.
Just give one example.
Like, may I write something on compiler, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Here we declare a class car
Okay.
and which have two two variable wheel and type.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And next we are defining a method, how to how to get how many wheels are there, which type of car is this.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Um. Second. Okay, in the method, right, we will use underscore int, right?
Yes, sir.
So what it defines? What it defines?
So it is defined as the it it is a instantaneous is instantaneous about objects like in the self is like a pointer. Init we are using init as a how to define a variable and point to a variable.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So init will be used only in the methods, right? Whether we can use that in classes.
So init is used only in class, sir.
Only in class, not in the methods.
So we can
Okay.
not use.
How about def? Def.
Def, sir, def is a declaration of function, but in the class method, object-oriented methods, we are using it as a method, but it is a function in another like procedural programming system, sir.
Okay. Can you explain break and continue in Python?
Break and
Where we
continue,
use
sir.
break and
So break like we have to stop something like we are when we start a loop and we have to break or means we are some condition to satisfy it, then we will break at that time if the condition is satisfied and no further loop will be continue after break.
Okay.
And continue means we have to print only odd numbers or we have to miss some numbers in 1 to 10 or something. Then we have to put a condition that if num n equal to 5, then continue. Then he will print all the number except 5, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is dictionary? Because
Dictionary is a collection of value which have a key value, key value and have some data, sir, according to key.
okay, in dictionary, right? How you will access the data? Whether we use a key or index to access the data, which one we will use?
So in a key, sir, with the key value, sir.
So we cannot use index in dictionary.
We can use, sir. We can use index also, sir.
What is array?
Array is a collection of same type of data, sir.
Not different types.
No,
Only
sir.
same type of data.
Only same type, sir. In the list, we are using different types, sir.
Why do you think Python is famous language?
So
Why did you choose Python?
Because it is easy to implement, its code
Easy to learn, right?
easy to learn, easy to implement, and easy to for user friendly. And we are using in most of the artificial intelligence and machine learning because her code was not so lengthy that's why, sir.
Okay.
And it is most probably it is object oriented, which is very important to represent real world life, real world entities.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to copy any objects, right, from one module to other module, right, or else from one class to other class, uh, how you will copy those objects in Python?
So by using inheritance, the process of inheritance, we are inherit the object or method of other class to the our class.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In Python, we have some inbuilt libraries called copy. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. Copy.
Copy. So what are different types of copy?
Some different type of copies. I beg your pardon, sir, but I don't remember
Okay.
right now.
Okay. Do you know about the shallow copy and the deep copy? Did you ever read that?
So I have read, sir, but I beg your pardon.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, no problem. So, what is the extension of the Python files?
Extension, sir.
Extension of the Python.
Dot py, sir.
.py.
Yes, sir.
Where we use the .pyc.
.pyc, sir, we are using it in PyCharm.
So only for PyCharm ID we use pyc.
I always used in PyCharm, that's why I know only this, but maybe other also used, but sorry, I beg your pardon, sir, I didn't know about that.
Okay. So and then okay, no problem. You have something called the database. You mentioned about the databases, right?
Yes, sir.
SQL database. So you worked or you got training only on SQL database or Oracle database?
So I have learned, sir, SQL, sir. SQL fundamental,
Learned, yes.
not so deeply, sir, but I know how to manage data and all. How to access and retrieve the data.
Okay. So what are arithmetic functions in SQL?
Sorry, sir.
What are arithmetic functions in SQL?
Arithmetic function, sir. So plus, minus, multiplication, division.
In SQL you use plus, minus, multiplication, division. There are arithmetic functions called sum, average, max, minimum.
So sorry, sir. Yes, sum, average.
Those are arithmetic functions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's plus, minus, division. Does that called arithmetic functions in SQL?
No, sir. We can't use it, sir.
Okay. So, what are tables? Can you explain?
Tables?
In your language, what do you understand are tables?
Tables is a collection of rows and columns.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, how you will access the data from table?
So data, may I write some query, sir?
What query?
So like select staff from table name and where we want some condition to access.
So if you want to access some specific data, what you will use?
So we will write some query to access it.
Okay. So what is primary key?
Primary key, sir. Primary key is...
Primary key.
Yes, sir. Primary key is unique plus not null, sir.
Unique plus not null.
Not null. Like in candidate, and primary key is one and only, sir, of the table.
Okay.
Like candidate key, we have 2 or 3 or 4, maybe some more also. But in primary key, we have only one primary key, and that is unique and not null, sir.
So if you want to get only unique records, that means non-repetitive records, what's the query that you will use?
So can you please repeat, sir?
No, if you want to get only distinct records, what's the query you use? What's the command you will use to get to only unique records.
So
For
by
example,
using
you have
distinct
20
keywords,
records.
sir. By using distinct
Sorry?
by using distinct
By
keywords,
using-
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the union function in SQL?
Union union is like we are using in the sets, like union of two tables or two number. In DBMS we are mainly using tables tables for union. So we are unite two tables.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any more questions?
Sir, I would like to know my job timing and what my work would be.
Job timing is it should be available. It all depends on the project and depends on where you right? There is no such as like the exact fixed timings as like the factory model. So at present, it all depends on which project you will go. It all depends on whether you will go to UK projects or US projects or Australia projects. So Australia project starts yearly, UK project starts sometime after like that. So it all depends on the project and on clients. It has very multiple factors.
What would be my location, sir?
Sorry,
So what would be my location?
it all based on your project availability and